Hello everyone. I'm back to work on my A to Z collage challenge. I realized that I have, for some reason, not gotten all of the backgrounds done. So I'm going to do a couple of those today. I also found that, believe it or not, I don't have as many images for each letter as I thought. Doing 2 collages for each letter it takes a lot of images. So I'm working with whatever letters that I have the most collages for, or most images for. So they're all out of order. Just so you know, I'm working all over the place because I'm trying to work with things where I have the most images first. That way I can just keep going and keep looking for images as I go. That's the best way I can think of to do it. Now, I mean, this is my thing for myself. It's really a challenge for myself, so please don't feel like you have to follow in what I'm doing. But that is what I am doing with it. I am doing whatever happens to have the most images first. Like I worked on P last time because I have enough to do both sides of the P. I'm using about 5 images per collage, and I'm not using the same word twice, so it's, you know, it's fun. It's actually a challenge. I didn't think it was going to be as much of a challenge as it is. And really haven't gotten to the hard ones yet. So anyways, guys, I am going to just hush up here and get busy collaging. And I did find that it was easier if I got everything ready and then got out my my glue. It just seemed to work better that way last time. So that's what I plan on doing this time. And I'm just going to be quiet and work through this and see where it gets me. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll be back at the end to have a little chat. Alrighty, everyone. I am pretty sure this video has gotten way beyond the amount of time I should have allowed for it. I think 4 is about all I can do in a day's time. I mean, I got 5 done today, but I did push it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you guys are playing along. I think it's a fun challenge to me. So you'll have to let me know what you think of the challenge, and if you're interested. Do remember that if you're playing along, if you use this hashtag A to Z Collage Challenge, then I can look at them. In the meantime, I'm going to read a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and get on with my next chore for the day. This was not a chore, don't get me wrong. Get on with the chores I should be doing for the day. How's that sound? Let the beauty we love be what we do. There are hundreds of ways to kneel and kiss the ground. Rumi. I like that one. Let the things that we love be what we do. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.